So today I want to talk about Kurt Lewin's three-step change process. So this change process was developed by Lewin to understand the change process. So it involved three steps. So it's unfreezing, change, and refreezing. Where the unfreezing stage is the stage where we recognize the status quo, examine it, recognize the need for change. The second stage, which is actually the change itself, so this involves the transition process, the transition phase are moving, and the implementation of change. This is the stage where usually uncertainty and fear comes in, but it can be overcome, and once overcome, we move to the third phase. The third phase is reinforcing the changes that was made in the second stage. So an example of this would be a company that um whose sales team is not efficient. So what will happen is that the manager would recognize the need for the change, which is that low profits. Their sales team is recording low sales, low growth. What would happen is that the manager would have to recognize the need for change, realize the current status quo. Why is it that he's not having the sales that they should have to make them profitable? Secondly, what they'll have to do is recognize the need for change, realizing what will it take for them to change and to decrease the resisting forces, right? Secondly, implementing the change. So the change would be implemented when they start to take different action to combat what was normally done in the first phase. So for instance, suppose they normally only sell through one medium, they probably increase their medium, right? Increase the medium through which they sell. So they probably start sell to supermarket. If they only sell through wholesale, they probably extend it through supermarket or something of the sort. And then the third phase, which is the refreezing phase, is just a stabilizing or reinforcing of the steps from stage 2. So this is my presentation. This is one of the models of change management that I found most useful.